Welcome to Python for Beginners. In this lesson, we will explore what Python is and why it has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and its name actually comes from Monty Python comedy It's Not a Snake. Python is easy to learn, easy to read, and feels like writing English. That's why it's very beginner friendly. Python is extremely versatile. It's used by web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and even IoT devices like Raspberry Pi and ESP32. Another reason Python is so popular is its large community with millions of developers and hundreds of thousands of libraries. You will always find support and ready to use tools. Python works everywhere. It's on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even small devices. This makes it flexible for almost any project. Some of the biggest companies use Python. They are Google, YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, and even NASA. In summary, Python is easy, powerful, and versatile. It's perfect for beginners, yet strong enough for professional developers.